Yeah.
Why you katok lakar?
My grammar's little bit correct.
Not flowing.
That's why they are
Grandma?
my grammar.
Ah, grammar.
Yes. That's why they're laughing.
You said grandmother.
No.
Nalala ko, di ko, ano mo.
Because I'm not fluent in
You don't
English.
learn English in school?
Yeah.
Wait, you don't learn,
I can speak but a little bit.
you don't learn English in school?
I studied before. A little bit.
Why you always katok?
So, have a nice day.
Yes. How are you today, madam?
I'm great.
Yes.
You fluent speak
I'm
English.
great.
But other words? No.